Good afternoon, friends. It is my pleasure to hear it today, and thank you for giving this opportunity, sir. Today, December 2nd, National Pollution Day. National Pollution Day is observed in remembrance of unfortunately incident of Bhopal gas tragedy. We conduct National Pollution Day on December 2 to awareness the people and to educate how to save our life and how to save our environment. Recently, Global Climate Summit is happening in Glasgow City in UK. It is known as COP26, which stands for Conference of the Parties. Here the parties reference 197 nations, and this is the 26th meeting happening, and they can gather and they are discuss how to control this pollution. Is it needed? 197 countries gather and discuss how to control pollution. Then think once, pollution is the small word, but it can impact whole world. And these 197 countries agreed and signed on the document to control, stabilize the greenhouse effect. And these 197 countries agreed and reduced the use of coal. We know how electricity used in our daily life. Without electricity we can't do anything. But if we want generate electricity, we want burn coal. When this burn coal, it reacts with air and it reduces the carbon dioxide, which leads to increase the greenhouse effect. And second, the most dangerous thing is plastic pollution. Do you know? 2 million plastic bags are used in 1 minute by worldwide. 2 million means 20 lakhs plastic bags are used in only 1 minute. But sad thing is, only 10%, that means 2 lakh bags are recycled. Then what about other 90%? Recently, one survey told 88% of the oceans covered and plastic and polluted by plastic. See, observe this photo once. Maximum ocean is covered with plastic. And one more thing. All we know, mostly dangerous thing is deforestation. From last 30 years, once we observe, on average 2,400 trees cut down on each minute by worldwide. Not only one or two, 2,400 trees cut on each minute. Observe this photo. This photo is taken by NASA from Space Center. This is 1977. This 2020 Earth. 1977, full of greenery, full of healthy earth. But 2020, greenhouse effect, heat, air pollution, water pollution. NASA gave a name to this name, Earth, polluted earth. If these trends continue by 2050, we will not have any living beings on the earth. That means all living beings are dead. And 70% of the earth covered with ocean. We know this thing. If same trend continue by 2050, this is our earth position of 2050. Full earth covered with the plastic and no living beings are there in earth. So friends, I request you, please let's wake up. Please open your eyes. please open your hearts to take preventions for control this pollution dangerous situation. It is not a big thing. It's possible by taking a small changes in our daily works. For example, turn off lights when you're not in use. Second, ban plastic. Use paper bags. We have number of alternatives for plastic. Use paper bags. One more thing, use public transport. Take two-wheelers and three-wheelers. And try to plant trees. Moreover, protect the existing trees. So, friends, finally I would say one thing. Our ancestors gave us a good life and good nature and good earth. We should pass that to our next generation, same as good environment. It is our responsibility. So I requested you again, please take preventions for control this dangerous pollution situation and follow the RRR formula. You know, RRR formula: recycle, reuse, reduce, recycle. So please, again I request you, stop pollution, save trees, save life, save earth. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.